Guys, so I see geeses again. XMAXX gets to go against the geeses again. Let's sneak up on them. Let's go through this side. Right behind these little trees here. We'll go behind them. Alright, XMAXX, you go this way, and I'll walk out this way, you go that way, alright? I'll see you all. Go XMAXX. There they go, all of them. The field is ours. Yes. We got the whole field to ourselves. Start our little. Oh, this is a cricket field. You can do amazing things with this truck. Damn, that was a two-wheelie drive. Two-wheel wheelie. Let's try again. Let him come this way. We'll brake right here. That didn't work. I'm gonna try to get it right here. Let me go around. Let's go around, guys. Alright, here it comes. Hey, how come I'm not able to do it here? Alright, here, let's line it. Brake and take off. Oh, that was a sixer. Uh-oh. Self upright. Self upright. Come on. That's the problem with the self upright. Alright, we're gonna look into that. It's not doing self upright, alright? We'll look into that when we get to the shop. India versus Pakistan? Alright guys, here it goes. Back up. Then we come forward. Press it brake. Oh my god. Again, this is not right. I gotta fix my controller. Maybe it needs a calibration. I believe I did calibration. It wasn't going forward or backward. But I got it to go forward and backward. But I didn't try this. I couldn't try this in the shop, you know. I didn't have that kind of space. This XMAXX is really, really, really fast. Maybe I could do stuff right up myself. Nah, it's not gonna work. The computer knows it better than us. That was long wheelie without taking off with the brakes. And this truck can go really, really far. Oh, he almost hit me. Seems like there's something wrong with the truck. Is there a tire loose? No, is there a tire crack? No, I guess I'm just hearing things. Oh yeah, guys, this tire is loose. You see that? You're gonna end this here. What about this one? Yeah. This tire is loose right here. I can feel it. I can hear it. Alright, let's end the video. Let's slowly go back to the workshop. I'll check all that. Hopefully nothing got damaged in the axle shaft or the spindle. Bye bye, Park. See you next time.